Tara here, and today we are going to take a look at how you would create time slots for your teachers. Now, the process of creating time slots for your teachers is the same whether you do a regular parent-teacher conference or a simple regular parent-teacher conference. You will want to log in, and then from there, on the events preview page, you can simply select your event and then click the orange Go to Event button. You can also just right here under the main navigation, just click on Events Management. The system will automatically take you to the Appointments tab. Now, if all of your teachers have the same schedule, you will want to select all of your teachers within the dialog box. If your teachers have different schedules or perhaps different departments have different schedules, you will want to select them within their respective group and then create the time slot. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the date. We are going to create time slots on November 22nd. We are going to click on slots and then create slots. Then here under the slot generator, we see that all of the teachers are listed. So again, if only some of the teachers are going to have this respective schedule, you will want to unclick those who it does not apply to. In this case, we are going to say that this applies to all of the teachers. Then from here, we have the multiple dates option. Multiple dates, if your event is multiple days and it is the same schedule on those multiple days, you can simply select multiple dates, and then you can select the dates that you want this schedule to also be applied to. From here, we are going to say that the event starts at 11:30 a.m. It's going to end at 1:30 p.m. These are going to be 10-minute slots. If your school is doing a travel break, this would be, allowing the parents and the teachers time to travel between the appointments, giving the teachers time to, review their notes, anything like that. You can add that right here. In this case, we are going to give it 5-minute travel breaks. Now be aware that once you create your slots, if you want to retroactively create slots, retroactively add the travel break to the slots, you will need to delete the current time slots and then recreate the time slots with the travel break. So we are doing 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. 10-minute slots with a 5-minute break in between. From here, you also have the option of selecting an appointment type. Appointment type is, as the label states, the type of appointment. So are you doing it in person? Are you doing your meeting via Zoom or Google Meet or some other virtual option? Or are you going to allow your parents the choice? In person is the default, and it will show itself in the time slots with a P. V will show in the slots if you select virtual, and then the PV will show if you want the in-person or virtual option. And then from there, okay, the system is creating the slots. So let's click on a teacher's name, and we see here's the P for in-person, here is the V for virtual. We also see here that the slots don't quite line up with the draw times. The draw times are right here. These are the slots themselves. So we're going to go to Settings, Vendor UI Setup, and we are going to tell the system to draw time every 5 minutes with a draw time of, let's say, every 15 minutes, and we are going to tell it we're going to minimize the slot height. So now we go back to the appointments, and we see here are the time slots. All right, here's your travel break, and it's just that easy.